Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how I use these two Ayurveda herbs to revert shedding and breakage. I use this recipe as a final rinse on my wash day to help darken my hair and also strengthen it. If your hair is graying or your hair is turning brown, this is a good recipe for you. You should try it. Our first ingredient is hibiscus. Hibiscus have been used for centuries to promote hair growth, improve scalp health, and enhances appearance. Hibiscus contains vitamins, minerals, and amino acid that help stimulate hair growth. Hibiscus extracts can help strengthen the hair follicle. Regular use of hibiscus tea can help darken the hair. It improves hair density, making it look thicker and fuller. Hibiscus contains antioxidants and fatty acid that helps moisturize and condition the hair. It adds shines to hair. It reduces frizzes. It also soothes the scalp. Our next ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek is one of the most powerful Ayurveda herbs, mostly used by the Indian for hair growth. Fenugreek reduces hair fall, prevents premature graying. It strengthens the hair. It is excellent for fighting dandruff and itchy scalp. It also adds shines to hair, condition and promotes healthy scalp. Fenugreek contains protein, iron, vitamin, folic acid, and calcium. Fenugreek reduces hair fall, promotes hair growth, treats scalp infections. There are many more benefits of fenugreek, but let's work with the little information at hand. If you were to ask me, fenugreek is one of my favorite herbs to use because it has changed my hair significantly over the years. I have used it in so many ways: fenugreek marks, fenugreek oil, fenugreek spray. I have used it and I can tell you for sure that this herb is wonderful. Next, we go in with hot water. If you know me well, you know that I like infusing my herbs over the night. So I do it at night and I let it sit over the night till the following day. So that is what I'm doing here. I added my hot water and I allowed it to sit over the night. It will give it enough time to properly infuse. The quantity of water you add this depend on you. For me, I'll be using it as a tea rinse, so I have to add enough water to it, though it was still concentrated, but it was perfect for what I needed it for. After adding just enough water, I will leave this mixture to sit till the following day, and as you can see, this is what it looks like now. The fenugreek has not doubled in size, and this will also get darker. As it sits, it will get darker. This is what our tea looks like the following day. As you can see, the fenugreek has doubled in size and our mixture is darker. This is super concentrated. This will help you darken your hair. If your hair is graying, use this, okay? If your hair is turning brown, consider using this recipe. It is very good. Oh my god, this color looks so good. Like, I liked how the fenugreek looks. I am not going to throw away the fenugreek. I'm still going to use it for something else. I will update you guys on my next video about what I'm going to use it for. So this is me sieving out our tea so I can dump it on my hair. I am not going to use a spray bottle. I am just going to use it to rinse my hair after washing. I will just go ahead and pour this into an applicator bottle to make it easier for me to apply. Then I'll head to the bathroom. Make sure you keep on watching and consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.